Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In the previous video, we learned about Sling models and how they help us separate backend logic from HTML. In today's video, we are going to build a custom search component in AEM 6.5 using Oak Lucene Index, QueryBuilder API, Sling Servlet, HTML and JavaScript. We'll first understand the basic concept, then build the complete implementation, deploy it, and finally test it inside AEM. So let's get started. Before we start the implementation, let's quickly understand how our search works. When a user enters a keyword and clicks the search button, the request is sent from the HTML component using JavaScript. The request reaches the search servlet, which forwards it to the index search service. Then the service creates query builder query, and the Oak query engine uses our custom Lucene index to find the matching pages from the JCR repository. Finally, the search results are written as JSON and displayed back on the page. So this is the complete flow. So in Visual Studio Code, I have already opened the project, and as you can see, it follows a well structured AEM project architecture. In this project, we have three main modules: core, ui.apps, and ui.content. Each module has a specific responsibility in our application. So let's understand them one by one. First, we have a core module. This module contains all the backend Java code and business logic. Inside SCR main folders. Yes. Here we have two important classes, index search service and search servlet. The index search service contains the complete search logic using query builder API, and the search servlet exposes that search functionality through a REST endpoint, so our front end can communicate with the backend. Next, we have ui.apps module. This module contains all the AEM application resources. Here we have created our custom search component, the HTML file, JavaScript, dialog configurations, and most importantly, our custom Oak Lucene Index. So this module is responsible for everything that gets deployed under the apps path in AEM. Finally, we have the ui.content module. This module has the sample content that we'll use to test our search implementation. In our case, we have created a few demo pages. Yes, here. And these pages will be indexed by our custom Oak index. This helps us verify that our search functionality is working correctly. Now let's move to one of the most important parts of the implementation, our custom Oak Lucene Index, which is in Oak Index file here. Yes. First, we have type Lucene. Here we have configured the index type as Lucene. Lucene is the search engine used by Oak for fast full text searching, making it the preferred choice for search implementations in AEM. Then we have async. We are using asynchronous indexing with near real time or NRT, we can say. This allows the index to be updated in the background while making newly added or updated content searchable much faster. Then we have included paths. Here we have specified the included paths. This means only the content inside content demo search will be indexed. Instead of indexing the entire repository, we are indexing only the content required for this demo. Then we have query paths. It ensures that the queries executed under this path can use this custom index. So both indexing and searching are limited to the same content path. Then after we have evaluate evaluate path restrictions. This property tells Oak to respect path restrictions while executing queries. So when our query builder searches within content demo search, the index can efficiently filter the results based on that path. Then we have index rules. Now let's look at this. This section defines what type of content and properties should be indexed. In our implementation, we are indexing CQ page nodes. We have a name JCR content for title. Here we are indexing the page title. This allows user to search using the page title. Then after we have description. Similarly, we are also indexing the page descriptions. So if the search keyword exists inside the page description, it can also be written in the search results. Then we have lastModified. For this property, indexes the page's last modified date. We'll use these later for sorting results in our advanced search. Then after we have a template, and here we are indexing the page template. This can be useful when filtering or querying pages based on the templates used. Then after we have aggregates. Here we have included the JCR content node. This allows the index to consider the content stored inside JCR content, such as the page title and description during search operations. So this is our custom Oak Lucene index. Now let's move to the index search service. Yes, this class, which contains the complete backend business logic for our search implementation. First, you can see that the class is registered as OSGI services using the component annotations. Then this allows other classes such as our Sling Servlet to use this service. Next, we are injecting query builder services using the @reference annotation. We'll use this query builder API to execute our search queries. Inside this class, we have implemented two main search methods. First one is full text search, which performs a basic full text search using our custom Oak Lucene index. And the second one is advanced search, which supports additional features like limiting the number of results and sorting them based on the page's last modified date. Before executing any search, we are validating the search path using normalized search path method. If an invalid path is provided, the application automatically falls back to the default search path. We are also validating the maximum number of search results using sanitize limit method. If an invalid path is provided, the application from requesting to many requests or results, and also it helps to maintain application performance. After the validation, we create query builder predicates, execute the search and retrieve all the matching pages. Once the search results are received, we build search result item object for each page. This object contains information like page title, description, page path, and search score. To improve the user experience, we have also implemented highlighted text method. This highlights the search keyword in the returned title and description, making it easier for users to identify the matching content. You'll also notice that we have implemented fallback search methods. If the query builder search fails or doesn't return any results, the application performs a traversal based search so that users can still receive relevant results. Finally, all the processed search results are returned to the servlet, which will then send back to the front end in JSON format. As you can see, this is my whole code of IndexSearchService file. Now that we have completed the backend implementation, the next step is to build and deploy the project to AEM. In my previous video, I have already explained the complete build and deployment process in detail, including how to install the package into AEM. This is an important step because without building and deploying the project, AEM won't recognize our component and we won't be able to test it. So I'll skip that part here and move directly to the live demo and see our custom search component in action. So let's go to AEM. Yes, here is our search component inside AEM. As you can see, we have our custom search component. Let's search for AEM. Simply just enter or click on search button. Yes. As you can see, the full text search returns all the pages that contains the keyword AM within our configured search path. Now let's switch to advanced search, which can be seen in the drop down, and again we can also click to search button. Yes. Here the search returns more detailed results, including page title, description, and search score for each matching page. This shows that both our full text search and advanced search are working successfully using our custom Oak Lucene Index and Query Builder implementation. Also, I have implemented pagination, as you can see here. And that's it for this video. We have successfully built a custom index based search in AEM 6.5 using Oak Lucene Index and Query Builder API and saw it how the working is done. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.